Are you having problem on the Walter Presence application? Well, there are some things that you can try to make sure that you're not having any problems the next time you log in onto the Walter Presence application. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't face any kinds of problem regarding your internet. However, if there's any other kinds of problem, you want to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the channel 4 application. Since Walter Presence is the application, since Walter Presence is a tab under, tap on channel 4, and here you want to simply offload the app. Tap on reinstall application, and by doing so, what this does is it deletes the application and whilst keeping its documents and data, and the next time you open the app, you shouldn't face any kinds of problem. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.